Continuing where we left off, number 6 in the practice problems from chapter 9. Here we have preferred stock that pays a $4 dividend per year each year, and required rate of return is what they're looking for. Since the price of the stock is $40, so since the value of a perpetuity is the perpetual payment divided by the rate of return, rearranging that, we get the rate of return is equal to the perpetual dividend divided by the present value, which in equilibrium should be the price. That'd be $4 over $40, or 0.1, 10%. Whoops. And next, number 7. Well, here, as with the last problem, the rate of return is going to be equal to the dividend divided by the price. And the dividend here is 12% of par, which is $12, 12.12 times 100. So $12 divided by the price would be the rate of return. 12 over 54 is 22.22% or 0.222. 12 over 90 would be 0.1333 or 13.33%. 12 over 105 would be 0.1143 or 11.43%. And 12 over 142 is 8.45%. With number 8, it's again preferred stock. It has a dividend rate of 9% on a par value of 100, so that's a $9 per year dividend. Current yield 7%. So to find the value, we take the perpetual payment divided by the interest rate. So 9 divided by 0.07 gives us 128.57. 128.57. And then in part B, it's changed the this yield or market returns is 12% for this stock now. So the dividend divided by 12% at 9 over 0.12 gives us 7.5. Here again we have preferred stock. This time the par value is 100. The dividend is $3 per quarter. 3 per quarter. There's 4 quarters in a year. The current price is 103. What's the nominal rate of return? Well, the nominal rate of return per payment period would be the dividend for that payment period divided by the present value, which is the market value. So in this case, that'd be 3 over 103 per quarter. Now to find the nominal per annum rate, we'd have 3 divided by 103 times 4 would give us a nominal rate because there's 4 quarters in a year, so that would give us 0.1165, 11.65%. And now it wants the effective annual rate. That'd be 1 plus the quarterly rate to the 4th power minus 1, which gives me 0.1217, so 12.17%. Here we have a constantly growing dividend, but the dividend growth rate, G, is negative. You can see that sales the company's earnings and dividends are declining at the constant rate of 4%, so G is negative 0.04. Recently paid dividend is $4. Required return on stock is 12%. Find the value of the stock. This is another one of those present value equals D1 over R minus G. So here D1 is the recently paid dividend 4 times 1 plus G, which is 1 plus negative 0.04. So that's going to be 4 times 0.96 equals D1. And R minus G is 12% minus negative 4%, so that's 16%. That is 12 minus a negative 4 is, okay, so 4 times 0.96 divided by 0.16, and that gives us 24.